For sports specifically, we work with a lot of sports logos and organizations. Over the past 6, 7 years, we've done this. These are really the main challenges we see across the board. Ticketing data specifically is always kind of a difficult challenge for most teams to really wrangle, organize, model, and really apply in a very effective way toward understanding the business and understanding fan experience. Data is often siloed in lots of different places. Fan identities are kind of hard to really completely do well. And then fully understanding the 360 of the fan and their behavior is a challenge, and that's why we're going to be talking today about how to do that well. There's really 5 objectives that we will go through with every one of the sports teams we work with around building out a Fan 360. So it starts with the cloud platform, a cloud data warehouse to house data, and then a lot of the other sort of vendors I mentioned to build on top of that to have a complete solution. But you got to start with a modern cloud infrastructure. The very next thing we're going to do is ingest data in from multiple data sources, whether that's ticketing, CRM, and so forth. And I have a visual on this in a minute. But just like with any data project, you ingest raw data, you want to model it because raw data is really difficult to use and understand for almost everybody. You really have to model it, make it business friendly for end users to really leverage and use. And of course, that's going to power AI and all sorts of other stuff as well when you have clean, modeled, trusted data. The next thing is the identity resolution. So we have all this data in, especially about fans in this case, whether that's from purchasing tickets or merchandise or concessions at a game, and on and on and on. There's a lot of different interactions, of course, that teams have with fans. We can bring all that data in and do an identity resolution process so that we can create a global identifier for each fan, and we really know who's who. And there's going to be only one Aaron Clymer in the Vikings, database is the idea. And then finally, now we have this clean, trusted, Fan 360 database. Now we can activate a lot of that data and just, improve experiences across the board.